Firstly, the plane tail features an enhanced fiberglass panel. First, we need to attach the reinforced fiberglass sheet using foam adhesive to one of the flat tails. Pay attention to applying glue to all three contact surfaces of the fiberglass sheet. The bonding between the fiberglass sheet and the flat tail's foam needs to be extremely strong. Insert it into the slot. Press it in and stick it tightly. Next, glue the bottle tail to the vertical tail. First, organize the wires. Apply adhesive to the contact surface of the plane tail. And also apply glue to the foam on the vertical tail. Align the slot. Press down firmly on this flat tail. Put the servo cable into the slot. Next, install another horizontal stabilizer. Apply glue as shown in the video. Glue on all three sides. and the foam of the fin should also be glued. Align the slot. Press this horizontal tail in place first. Then press the reinforced fiberglass sheet into place. Put the servo cable into the slot as well. This is fixed. At this time, we can visually check whether it is balanced from left to right. You can adjust the position slightly. Now the horizontal and vertical tails are installed. Now, we need to install the horizontal and vertical tails. The first step, we need to connect the extension lines of the horizontal and vertical tails. There are labels for the extension lines. There are 2 elevator servo extension lines and 1 for the rudder servo extension line. We connect these 3 wires according to the labels. Connect the direction to the direction. Lift connects to lift. After connecting the extension line, we can slightly organize it. Then we can open the cockpit cover by sorting out the front. Open the cockpit cover. Then find the 3 extension lines of the horizontal tail. We pull these 3 wires forward slightly. Press the rudder down. Press it in place. There are 4 connecting and fixing screws on the rudder. We fix it from these places. There are 2 carbon tube slots on the wing, with 2 steel pipes embedded inside. There is 1 long and 1 short carbon tube. The long carbon tube is inserted into the slot near the leading edge. Insert it. The short carbon tube is inserted into the side near the rudder. We also insert it to the end. We put the wire along the slot to the bottom. Same here. The carbon tube has been inserted into the other wing. Close the left and right wings. We have 2 GE fixed rubber parts and install them on the front and back respectively. Our left and right wings are now connected. After connecting, there are 2 extension lines. Use these 2 Y wires. Connect the servo wires for the ailerons on both the left and right wings separately. The servo lines for the ailerons are also connected using Y wires. After connecting, organize the wires and temporarily fix them. First, move the wing lines inside the fuselage. Align the front of the wing with the slot and click it. Align and press the back. After pressing it in place, we use 4 screws to fix the wing. The wing is installed. This aircraft adopts a quick assembly and connection design. Experienced pilots can assemble it in about 15 minutes. Can assemble the entire aircraft. We recommend pairing all of our aircraft from the first 3 points with a Senior 6AC receiver. The Senior 6AC is a receiver that combines correction tape, stabilization, and 3-in-1 functionality, which is very suitable for the front 3-point aircraft. I'll now demonstrate the wiring process using the Senior 6AC for everyone. We open the cockpit cover. First, connect the landing gear actuator wires and navigation light wires to the control unit. There are 3 rows of pins beside it. It's about connecting the landing gear actuator wires. Connect it first. Then connect the landing light to the extension cord. In this way, the landing gear and the navigation light are connected. After connecting, we slightly organize the wires. Then we start connecting the receiver. Channel 1 connects to the aileron line. Two channels for connecting to the hoisting line. Connect the throttle cable to channel 3. Four-channel input with directional lines. The directional control actuator wires and the front wheel steering actuator wires were connected together at the time of manufacture. We need to remove the steering servo cable for the front wheels separately. The Senior 6AC features a correction function. Therefore, the steering line for the front wheels needs to be plugged into channel 7 separately. We connect the rudder to channel 4 first. Then connect the front wheel steering line to channel 7. Channel 5 connects to the landing gear control unit. Six-channel flap wiring. In this way, all our wires are connected. After connecting, we need to fix the receiver in the cockpit. Power on. We first pair the frequency. Press and hold the bind button for more than 2 seconds. The fast flashing red light turns into a slow flashing red light, indicating that the receiver enters the frequency matching mode. Let's synchronize the remote controls. The indicator light turns green, indicating that the frequency assignment has been completed. Landing gear testing. Testing. Horizontal tail testing. Vertical tail testing. Flap testing. Motor testing. Here, the assembly and wiring test of the entire aircraft is done.